So guys, I'm discuss about that how we can convert your web series a mobile application. So people are worried about that. I don't have any coding knowledge. So coding is not required in the making for mobile app purpose. There are a lot of apps will be given, a lot of application will be given, a lot of website will be given by the your website will be converted as a mobile app, and that is called nothing will be suspend for your Google Play Store. So already I'm creating for this one in the my Play Store will be there. I'm showing for my particular app also there. The app will be we can search will be Rakesh Tech Solutions. The app all there that is called we design for the mobile application as still we can implement by the particular screens. So that application how we can build for website view as a making for the mobile application. This is not require any kind of codes here. In this purpose, we can using this website will be called appsjuicer.com. This website we can use here. First of all, log in your account. Just one Google login will be enough. And one more important question: this APK we can upload for the Play Store option will be there. Just sign up your application will be here. Just will be give the fraction of second. The sign up will be finished on the particular option. The register will be there. First we can go to for sign up option. So I'm go to the sign up options here. So your account is created. Just open your Gmail. We have to verify compulsory. Any email will be received. You have to verify this option here. So here, just we can verify the email address. Compulsory verification required to access your particular account. So go to dashboard. Here, now how we can starting for application to build purpose. Here is the application will be there. Here, we can option will be click for create now. Which option we can click for create now option. In this, we have to use in for here two things: create app to grow, create app to your end purpose. So which option we can go here? I have a website from my business or affiliate links, want to grow and keep my client in my business. I don't need ads and in this app branding. I'm independent developer and entrepreneur. I want to create app to make a money by monetization. Then I need app monetization control over ads at ASO. So this will be two things are there. Right now, I can making application will be only for branding purpose. Select will be here. Create app to your grow purpose. In this app templates, website, business, referral link, Facebook, etc. Here app template, messenger, video chat, browser, games and etc. These are the future will be given in the particular option. Create your grown purpose. Here, what is the purpose? Business and individual. Which is your required? There is a business purpose here. Business website, affiliate link and referral link, YouTube and every option will be there. Your YouTube app for the channel or playlist here. Now we can come into this one. Business. Yes, simple. Copy the URL. Here, what are the future you have to add here? You can add the every future will be here. So refresh here. I'm not save here. Once save this option, the show will be in this option here. Here. So your company will be showing my website will be in this particular option. So this is complete will be here. So what are the future we can add here? You can add by YouTube future. Add by the YouTube future option will be here. So these are we can use for the complete. What are the website will be there? We can use as a web view option in the particular mobile. So what are the options are here? Every option we can use in this particular application. So here, YouTube API. So what are the important need by? Here is the option. So everything will be need. You can add by your option will be here. Remove the tab. You can remove the particular tab. So you're adding here Facebook. I'll adding for Twitter. You can check for Twitter here. So Twitter added here. Two tabs adding for in the particular option. When adding for YouTube time, they're asking for YouTube API key and input and channel, a playlist URL, everything. The API key must and should important to activate the YouTube channel. If it's not required, remove the tab option here. After that, action bar, yes or no, which is required here. Action bar will be here. So all will be here. Here particular option will be there. So customer app layout, which is layout required, green, orange, bottom menu, and tab option will be here. So every option will be selected by in the particular option. Finally, what are the changes, text, color, everything will be changed, and you can make it for your website as a mobile application. In this app will be design purpose, nobody required for coding knowledge. Coding will be zero. You don't have any required for coding knowledge. Now, click for next option. Finally, they're asking for app name. App name is your domain name is your app name option. So in this website, you can make n number of apps. So in this option, click for next. Default icon or custom icon. Using for custom icon. Icon will be 512 by 512. Don't forget it. The icon size will be must and should we can use for 512 by 512. That icon we can use on the particular option. So icon will be selected here in this particular option in this. This is a logo. So just I'm creating just a logo here. You can change any logo will be in the particular option. Here is the here. So I'm changing for logo another logo here. So another logo will be select in this option. So here the logo will be showing for particular size. Just you can resize it and use for logo will be R. So we can use it here the particular logo option in this, and crop your logo will be here. So after that, click for next. So they will be showing for your particular Play Store option. I'll show you here when people will be search in this. So just I'm going to give the complete logo. You can add the R option will be here. Anything will be possible just here in this icon. I want to change. This is not suitable. They give complete option. Once here, refresh for preview option. So everything here. Finally, the website will be showing to the in the mobile app option. Here, everything will be created after website will be start your particular things. Now click for. So app name confirm, app setting will be confirm. 3 will be confirm. Is asking only for 3 option: app setting, app name, and icon option. Click for create. Finally, your app will be create using for website URL. So you're using for complete zero coding option, everything. Finally, we can download by APK will be here. Download APK here. The APK will be published for your Google Play Store option. So in this, everything will be here. Close. Skip to. Here will be signing APK. Everything will be here. Every option will be downloaded for in the particular things. So this will be coming to the publish option. I already publish here. So in this option will be here. Publish to the Play Store option will be there, and we can download by the your APK files. So I already publish. And not found for Google Play. Just we can download which one? Only we can download for APK files. Only we can download for APK files. So we can go to publish will be here. We can option will be published. In this particular option will be here. But I can't download any publishing option. So here we can go to publish will be Play Store. In the Play Store purpose, we have to purchase for Google Play Console. This already purchased, so I can use this option will be in the particular app purpose. So what are the application will be required? You can use in for particular console will be required. Just will link with your particular application. Simple will be give the publish your application. How to publish is there, and so we can manual publish purpose. You can simple go for here, download APK and download by your APK files. Here they show the complete procedure here. You can download by mobile in this option. So in this APK, we can publish for the create application option. So this way we can creating for mobile application, the particular mobile device purpose. Your website is a creating mobile app is a complete web view option. When you're creating web view time, don't create the ads. They will be suspend your app in the Play Store option. Web view is not worry about that. Your website will convert as a mobile app that we'll be using for in the particular website. So if we want create for more apps, more websites convert app purpose, we can using for create app. Just you add your phone number and work here, business and individual. We can make it as a website will be individual also here. So this is called, we have to create mobile application by using website URL using this website appsgeezer.com. So use it website, and if you have further any doubts to get any issues, please let me tell and use this in the particular. This APK will be valid from your particular mobiles to install by email and download, and APK will install will be the particular mobile device. So the instruction also will be give here the particular option. Install is a block, go to the your setting option, security setting will be here, unknown source, and install your download, and application will be installed in the particular mobile device. This will be not blocked for in the Google Play Store. Suppose Google Play Store have the question mark. This APK we can give the download link on the particular where in the website people will be download and install by the particular mobile application. Thank you for watching. For any assistance required, please comment me and share our videos, like and comment, subscribe our channel to Digital Rakesh. So what are the required here? Everything will be follow the my channels. What are the requirements are are needed? Just give me the comment. I'll upload the video on the YouTube channel option. Thank you. Thank you for watching.